very well and good care of yourself. This is Dietitian Anuradha and I am welcoming you all on my channel Food Trivia and Lifestyle by Anuradha. Today we are going to discuss about a very powerful herb with more than 300 nutrients. Yes, these 300 nutrients are going to help you to take care of your skin, whether your external skin or whether it is internal skin. So today we are going to discuss about the health as well as the beauty. Yeah, are you guys excited? I'm sure you must be. So let's quickly move on to the next section. Stay till the end because you are going to get a very great recipe as well. Yes, that was the bonus of today's video. Welcome back. So let's talk about this powerful and potent herb. More than 300 nutrients. Oh, we can't discuss it in a one video, but we will discuss only the nutrients which are helpful and very much effective for our skin. These nutrients are vitamin C, vitamin A, beta carotene, flavonoids, fiber, iron, calcium, niacin, etc. as well as the potassium. Yes, it's also responsible for non-puffiness of our skin, especially the facial skin if you get the puffiness. This powerful ingredient is the mine of antioxidants. Yes, this rhizome is the mine of antioxidants, which means it curbs and controls the free radical activity. It basically neutralizes free radical. How it neutralizes? It prevents certain enzymes from creating specific free radicals. So I'm now going on and on about antioxidants and free radicals, and you must be wondering what are these. So basically free radicals are certain kind of molecules which are responsible for the wear and tear of your internal skin, whether it is the internal skin or external skin, for both, and these free radicals are responsible. So when your internal skin gets a hit or a wear and tear, it leads to the compromised immunity. When your external skin gets hit by the wear and tear, then you see the aging signs like wrinkles, screw feet, loose skin, etc. So now you have understood that how potent or dangerous these free radicals are for our aging process. So antioxidants are basically molecules or the compounds which basically leads to the destruction of these free radicals. So in short, any food which has a lot of antioxidants would help to reverse the process of aging. And this ingredient which I'm discussing today is definitely the mine of it. Internally it heals the respiratory system. Yes, the mucous membrane which is present in your respiratory system and often takes a hit due to cold, pollution, smog, resulting in the onset of cough and cold and flu. Basically it heals this herb heals internally the respiratory system's mucous membrane. Externally, it when you apply this herb in certain form of Upton or in any of the applications, it helps in curing acne, psoriasis, eczema, and photoaging. Photoaging is like the aging which happens due to a lot of sun exposure. So it really helps in reversing this photoaging and everything. So it gives that beautiful sunny glow to your skin in otherwise very dull winter evenings. So what is this wonderful herb which I am going on and on about? So this wonderful herb is none other than raw turmeric. Yes, you guessed it right, that this is the raw turmeric, again providing a lot of benefits for your skin and for keeping yourself young. So how can we use this raw turmeric in a potent way for our skin? So externally I have already told you that you can use raw turmeric in any of the uttans which you are making, any of the paste which you are making, for your skin. One of the very effective upton which you can make could be of the masoor dal, like powdered masoor dal, along with the grated juice of raw turmeric with a little bit of honey and dahi. Just mix it properly and apply it, and once it would get dried after 10 to 15 minutes, just wash it off with a plain water. So masoor dal is great for tightening your skin. Again, the raw turmeric is great for the acne and photo aging effects, and honey would be the antiseptic as well as gives a lot of moisture to your skin, because it's a winter season, so your skin also needs a lot of moisture. So that is one tip for the external skin. Internally, you can go for a turmeric latte or golden milk. Now, what is turmeric latte? Well, you have to boil milk with the raw turmeric in it, along with the nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, and or any of the dry fruits, crushed dry fruits you really love to have with it, and then you have to just boil it, and once it will be lukewarm, you need to add a dash of honey into it and sip it. So that would be great internally for healing your respiratory system, for your entire body. Anyways, we have discussed raw turmeric's benefits so far, so any of the benefits you are going to get through this turmeric latte, but specifically for your skin, internally and externally, this turmeric latte or golden milk would give that a golden glow, a 24 karat golden glow to your skin. So I just hope that you have really liked these recipes, these hacks which I have shared with you today, and I hope you like the information as well. Just click on the like button, share and comment if you have some kind of questions related to it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not till subscribed. Thank you for watching my video, and press the bell icon because there is more in the store for such kind of trivia in future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.